Think about the survival strategy of a cheetah sprinting across the savanna compared to an oak tree standing in a forest. Both organisms are built from cells, yet their internal hardware is engineered for opposing goals. To support a high-speed sprint versus standing firm through a storm, nature requires distinct structural solutions. Those solutions begin with tissues. Individual cells function like single bricks. On their own, their capacity is limited. When similar cells organize to perform a specific job, they form a tissue, a group of cells working together to achieve a specialized function. For the cheetah, tissue groups must contract, stretch, and transmit electrical signals to support rapid movement. The oak tree, being stationary, requires tissues that provide rigid mechanical strength to hold up heavy branches and withstand environmental pressure. Tissues are specialized hardware systems engineered for an organism's lifestyle. High-speed mobility and stationary endurance are the results of these distinct cellular arrangements. Plant tissues are structured for low-energy maintenance. By utilizing dead cells for support, plants gain mechanical strength without the metabolic cost of supporting living protoplasm or active maintenance. In this diagram, active growth is isolated into meristematic tissue, dividing rapidly at the apical tips, lateral edges, and intercalary joints. As the plant expands, cells are pushed out, undergoing differentiation. Taking a fixed shape, they lose the ability to divide, becoming permanent tissue. These permanent tissues appear in three primary forms. Parenchyma consists of thin-walled living cells used for food storage. Collenchyma cells have thickened corners, allowing young stems to bend without snapping. Sclerenchyma cells consists of dead, thick-walled cells that provide the rigidity found in coconut husks. A plant's survival depends on this balance, localizing energy-intensive growth in the meristems while building the rest of the body from low-maintenance structural tissues. Unlike plants, animal tissues, epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous, must remain flexible and highly active. This allows the organism to support constant movement and rapid response to stimuli. To categorize these systems effectively, we can apply specific classification rules that distinguish between similar-looking structures. In this flow diagram, the two complex plant tissues serve different transport needs. Xylem moves water and minerals exclusively upward from the roots. Phloem distributes food from the leaves in both upward and downward directions. Animal connective tissues are categorized by what they bridge. Ligaments connect bone to bone, maintaining joint integrity. Tendons connect bone to muscle, allowing the force of a contraction to move the skeleton. Protective coatings also follow specific chemical rules.